Hey, Tonyo. Oh, Mommy's got a messy table, but that's okay. Hey, honey. What are you doing? You want to show us your new tricks? How you like to play with your toys? Buddies. Antonio. You want it? You want it? There, I have this one in my hand. How do I get that one? Come here. You want it? Come here, honey. Oh, honey. You just want to eat your hands? Here. Try to get it. Oh my goodness, you're so adorable. Try to get it. You can do it. Look at. Look at Mama. Look at Buddy. Oh, you almost got it. Use your hands. Good job. Are you touching it? Look at me. Get it from Mama. Good job, buddies. Oh, let's see. Try it again. Try it again, honey. Try it again. There we go. Aww. Uh-oh. No more toys.
Buddy. Want the keys?
Stuff down here. Here, buddy. Look at. Okay. Now they're all back. What are you gonna do now? Don't know. Look at his little hands. See, I don't know how to use these hands very well. I'm still learning. Can you put his bib on him? You need your bibby, huh? There we go. Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome. Are you cleaning up? Are you cleaning up? Are you cleaning up?